Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very menacing looking front man from the Squid Game. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch. So to begin, we're going to draw in this line first, which is going to be the eyebrow, and then we'll come in and fill up the face. Okay, so we're going to draw one line, just give it a slight curve. So it's going to be here, and now we're just going to come down. This will be the side of the face. So now we're just going to pinch it in all the way down to the chin, and then just close that off. All right, so this part's a little bit tricky because we have nothing else to use as reference. So from here, we're gonna come up, finish up the forehead, and it's a little bit smaller because it's gonna be hidden by the hoodie. Just close that off first. All right, so once we have this, we're gonna draw in the eyes. So right here, draw two lines like this first, come down on the bottom, same thing here. And now right here in the corners, just close it with a bracket. Okay, so those are going to be the eyes, and then let's draw the nose. So just come right in the middle, we can draw one line. Just come down right here, and then just close it off. So we'll keep it simple. And then let's go ahead and finish up the lip. So just come down in the middle of this space right here. Just draw one line across. And then top and bottom, just draw a shorter line. And then we'll just close that off. And that'll give us the lip shape. All right, so now that we have all the features, let's go ahead and fill in all those little lines that they have, and we'll just kind of keep it a little bit simpler. Right from the nose, we'll just go up, extend it a little bit more, and then just go straight up. Okay, and then right here on the nose again, we'll just go out to the sides. So we'll simplify this because it's really complicated. Corner of the eye, come down, and then go to the corner of the nose, and then now from this corner, just go all the way out. All right, and then for the lip, again, we're starting on the corner of the nose. Let's go down to the corner of the lip, and then let's go out again. All right, and then for the chin, just come down, close it off, and then just go down. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see the eye a little bit better. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I mean, you can draw in more lines and details if you like. All right, so once you have this, now let's go ahead and finish up the hoodie around it. So I'm gonna draw the inside first. So I'm just gonna start on the top because this part's actually gonna be all black. So I'll just go out. I'm just gonna wrap it around, just come down all the way to the chin. So this part's gonna be all black. And then now we'll draw the outside. Go up. So this part's a little bit higher. Then we'll just close that off. And then come down. I'm just gonna stop it right there. So let me shade this in so we can see, because I know there's a lot of lines and it gets a little bit confusing sometimes. All right. So the head is the hardest part, while the rest is very simple to draw. All right, so now that we have this, we're gonna draw in the coat, which is gonna be pretty simple. So I'm just gonna start out here. Nice and wide shoulders. And then from the shoulders here, we're gonna pinch it down, all the way down to the waist. So this is gonna be the waist. We're gonna flare back out. So this is gonna be, I guess, past his hip area. So just come in. Just draw one little angle like this. And then from this line here, we're gonna connect all the way to the top here. So not to the center, it's off to the side. I'm just gonna come down, just connect to that line. Okay, and then one button right here. All right, so now we can join the arms and then we'll finish up the legs. All right, so the armpit's gonna be right around here. We can add one little line here. Just come down here from the shoulder. We'll flare this out. Okay, so let's draw in the other side and then we'll draw in the hand. So just come down here to the hip, to the waist area. And then we'll flare this out slightly. And then now we can draw in the hands. So the hands right here, I'm gonna start with the thumb. I'm just gonna come down, just draw a little hook like this. Here's the back of the hand. Just come back up, just draw a little loop. And then now for the other fingers, come down. And then I'm gonna start here, right in the middle right here. Just kind of bend it. That's gonna be one finger. And then the other one, just kind of hook it behind there. Okay, so let's try again on this side. So right here, just hook it back up. Here's the back of the hand. On the inside here, curve down. And then from the middle, well, let's see, let's start in the middle right here, it's a little bit easier. Just curve down. And then just close that off. A little bit of a tricky shape. Okay, and then for the other fingers, or just one on the back here, just kind of hook that in. All right, so now let's see, let's draw in the legs. So half the legs already covered up, so it's gonna be a little bit shorter right here. So I'm just gonna come down. I'm gonna give it a couple of angles right here just to add some more interest, to make it look like it's folds. And I'm gonna curve and just close it off. Okay, same thing here. So I'm just gonna come down, just add a couple of this. Just kind of have it curve up, so a little bit higher on the outside. Okay, and then for the shoe, we'll just come down. This one, we can go out a little bit more on this side. Close it off. And if you want to, you can add in just one little line here for the sole. And then for the folds right here, we can extend these lines to make it look like cloth. Alright, so that is it for this front man. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.